Is EpoxyFlex environmentally friendly?
Yes. EpoxyFlex is non-toxic, it's non-carcinogenic, it's water-based. EpoxyFlex is a sensible alternative to an industry that recognizes the negative impact that certain coatings cause to our environment by byproduct of waste that is generated. Our mission here at American Eco Roof is to be responsible and respect the environment by setting certain standards for what coatings can be.
Right.
And our pledge to protect life, health, and the environment, and of course non-renewable resources. In the process of manufacturing EpoxyFlex, there are no significant quantities of waste. Implementation of EpoxyFlex's maintenance program reduces weather depleted and discarded materials that are generally returned to our environment in the form of waste.
I see.
So this avoids a lot of waste, avoids special procedures to dispose of that waste. Studies also show that using EpoxyFlex may even reduce the polluting effect of urban heat islands.
Oh, okay.